First of all, you have to take a circle, a cardboard circle of 8 centimeters, and keep it on the A4 size sheet and trace it. Now the circle which you have traced, you have to cut it out with the scissors. Now when the circle is cut, you just have to make the holes on it using the punching machine. This is where I've made these points. Now you can make the holes anywhere on it the way I've shown these points. You just have to make the holes on it using these points, using the punching machine. Like this. It has to be on different places, like different places apart. Suppose you have to make the circles in the center, you will fold it somewhere and put it inside the punching machine and punch it. This is the way you have to do it on the whole sheet using the punching machine. Now when the holes are made, it will look something like this. Now what you need to do is you have to take the yarn. You have to take some small piece of yarn about 30 centimeters and fold it into a double thing. Now you have to cut it from the side. Okay, now when this is done, when you've cut it, you have to put it inside the hole. And you have to tie a knot at the top. This is the way you have to tie the knot. And now when the knot is tied, you just have to put the tape on this and paste it on this. This is to be done for all the holes with the same length. And this will look something like this when you'll do it for some of them. Now you have to take certain circles of A4 size sheets. It can be a circle or some different colors. It can be of different sizes, designs, anything. Now take one of them. Make sure you have two of each same color. Put it in between this. Put the thread in between it and put the tape on it. Now put some glue on it. Now put some glue on it on the other one and paste it there. You have to follow the same steps for all the threads, and you can do like for one you can paste at least 3 or 4 making a design, the way I've done for this first one. I've put 3 circles on it of different colors using the A4 size sheet. One in the center is of small size and the other one of same sizes. So you have to complete it for all the threads, and after doing it for all the threads, you have to paste the cardboard sheet of the same size of the circle on this part of this paper. Now when you'll do it, you can hang it anywhere. Make sure you send the videos or the pictures in the group. Thank you.